Hello everyone, I'm Tana Regal and today I'm going to teach you how to be a boss at your schoolwork. Let's just jump into it. The first thing is be organized. Being organized is just gonna change your entire life. That means no messy workspace. Always have your books and notebooks with you. Like really, you guys have no idea how much I see people, students forgetting their books and notes, and then they're screwed. Especially if we're getting closer to exams and all that. You want to be organized, and a messy workspace is not gonna help you either, so just be organized. You plan ahead if you know you have a lot of things to do next week. Make sure that in the weekend you're making use of your time and try to finish all the things that you need to do next week in that weekend. If not, try to do as much as possible. Like I always like to work 3 days ahead for myself, so I always know that I am, organized and on time, and if I get a problem I can just ring the bell to my teacher or professor on time and be like, "Sir, I started on time, I have this, but I'm having struggles with this, could you please help me?" You want to know where you stand, So basically, do it as quickly as possible and not last minute. As for my second tip, make sure you set timers. Personally, I find time is very easy to, be organized in the learning process as trying to do stuff that I want to get done for school. Usually I like to set a timer for an hour, and then I'd be like, in this hour I want to have this done, and if I'm not done by then I'm doing something wrong. I really should, try to focus better. But be realistic, because if you're going to set unrealistic goals for yourself, the timer isn't really going to help you at all. For the next tip, no distractions. That means put away your phone. Like this, having that close to you, or any other thing that has Wi-Fi on it, put it away, put it in your closet, maybe even give it to your parents or guardian if it's needed, because the moment you hear something, you're going to be like, "Oh, that's my phone. What's going on with Brenda?" I don't even know Brenda. What is so random? But you get the point. Just no distractions around you. And now seriously, be active and pay attention in class, because that is going to be half of the work, or being organized and be a boss at your schoolwork. Really, seriously, do it. That's what I do, and that's how I am probably one of the most serious students in my entire. No shame in saying that, but yeah. Pay attention. No, I don't mean that you have to be like asking questions all the time, or just, be like, sir, this, or brag about it. No, just pay attention, be listening. You can still be interactive with your classmates and your friends, but just pay attention to what is going on during class. It helps, trust me. And coming back to being organized, know your strengths and weaknesses. If you already know you have a problem with the subject or with this topic, etc., then just tell the teacher or work ahead. Make sure that you're diving into the subject so you know where you stand and your strengths and weaknesses. And for my last tip, to be a boss at your schoolwork, if you're having concentration problems, I love to use study music / backgrounds. I will link one of my favorite study music and backgrounds in the description, because I don't know, like just backgrounds of beautiful landscapes and all that is very relaxing for me while learning and doing my schoolwork, especially if I am a bit messy that day and I don't feel like wasting time on being organized. And if that isn't working, just clear your mind, look outside for 5 minutes, and then you kind of reset it and all, and then just dive into it. With that being said, guys, this is Tana Regal, and I hope you like how to boss your schoolwork. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Regal family. See ya. What am I doing with my hand?